Normal joint range of movement of upper limb. Shoulder joint. Flexion 0 to 180 degree, extension 0 to 45 degree, abduction 0 to 180 degree, adduction 0 degree. Internal rotation 0 to 90 degree, external rotation 0 to 90 degree. Elbow joint. Flexion 0 to 130 degree, extension 135 to 0 degree. Forearm. Supination 0 to 90 degree. Pronation 0 to 90 degree. Wrist joint. Flexion 0 to 90 degree. Extension 0 to 70 degree. Ulnar deviation 0 to 40 degree. Radial deviation 0 to 20 degree. Metacarpal phalangeal joint. Flexion 0 to 90 degree. Extension 0 to 20 degree. Abduction 0 to 20 degree. Adduction 0 degree. Proximal interphalangeal joint. Flexion 0 to 110 degree. Extension 0 degree. Dorsal interphalangeal joint. Flexion 0 to 90 degree. Extension 0 degree. Thumb. Metacarpal phalangeal flexion 0 to 45 degree.